Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Physics Thinkers. Today I am going to explain about 9th class students physics textbook of our Andhra Pradesh. That is chapter name is Work, Energy and Power. My dear students, let us consider the work. What is meant by work in science? Let us think I am doing some work. What work I am doing? Either I am writing or eating or anything we have to do, or riding a bike or driving a car. My students are writing homework. What is that? Homework. In the work, the scientist James Prescott Joule introduced about the how much the work will be done. Let us think here, my dear students, the spelling of work is W-O-R-K. The spelling is W-O-R-K. The definition of work I will explain, and the SI unit of work and CGS unit of work today I am going to explain. My dear students, the spelling of work is W-O-R-K. Here the work, it is, write down my dear student, please zoom the camera. It is denoted by the letter, it is denoted by the letter is W. Nothing but the symbol of work is here W. The symbol of work is W. Please write down. It is very important for 9th class student of Andhra Pradesh. It is written by W. Next, the definition. What is the definition of work? Here it is defined as the product of, I think you have to writing, my dear student, please zoom the camera. It is defined as the product of force and displacement. Force and displacement. My dear student, please write down. Force and displacement. It is the definition of work. It is noted by the letter W, capital W. And so it is defined as the product of force and displacement. What is the formula for this is, write down. Formula will be formula like this. My dear students, please write down. Formula is W. The symbol of work is W. What is the symbol? It is denoted by F. You know the definition. Product of force and displacement. What is the symbol of displacement? That is S. You are right. That is S. Here S, without S, the word is displacement. You can write it as displacement, my dear student. So it is a displacement. You know, force is which quantity? A displacement which quantity? Force and displacement, you can symbol it as a F, a displacement symbol as a S. Displacement is a vector quantity, my dear student. Force is a vector quantity and displacement is also a vector quantity. My dear student, it is the formula. What is the SI unit of work? The SI unit of work is, I am starting told the scientist name James Prescott Joule. He introduced the how much work done on the object. The SI unit of work is, my dear student, that is Joule. Next, CGS unit of work is. What is the Joule? Nothing but it is an air. What is that? Air. These are about the work definition, letter and formula and SI unit and CGS unit. You know that we can call it as a, what is the formula? You can say easily it is the product of force and displacement. We are applying some force on the object. So let us think, we are applying some force on the object. It will be moved from one place to another place. That is called displacement. What is the displacement unit? Meter. What is the unit of force? Newton. We can write also as Joule or Newton meter. What is that? Joule or Newton meter. Students, now I am explaining about one problem for better understanding by using some values here. You know that the work formula is force into displacement. For example, let us consider force is equal to 5 newtons. Force is equal to 5 newtons. And the displacement here, I will take displacement value is 2 meters. Displacement value is 2 meters. You can write, my dear students, in your textbook, the notebook also, you can use lot of problems are there. Here 2 meters. Here 2 meters. Now substitute the force value and displacement value in above equation, that is work equation. You have to find W, nothing but work. Now substitute W is equal to F into S. So W is equal to force how much given? 5 newtons. Displacement how much given? That is 2 meters. That is 2 meters. We already know familiar in multiplication. We already know tables. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. The answer is 10 Newton meter or joule. The very easy to understand. The problem is 5 into 2, 10 Newton meter or joule. It is about the how much work done on the object is 10 Newton meter or 10 joules. It is about the example of work with better example. You have to understand, you can practice more. My dear students, here we can doing correct or not. We can check everything also in your textbook. Look, by practicing lot of problems. Let us students, the problem given, sorry to rub you. I think you are familiar in mathematics. Let us do another example for better understanding. Here, force will be given 10 newtons. Okay. Next, displacement given. Displacement is 200 meter. 200 meter. You can take also 20 meter. You can take 20 meter. Now we can do simple like this. W is equal to F into S. So force how much given? 10 newtons. Displacement how much given? 20 meter. We can just by doing product 20 into 10. Nothing but we can get 200 Newton meter or joule. It is very easy now students. You are right. It is very easy. So let us check. The answer is, we can write W is equal to 200 joule. Yes or not? We have to check. I am doing multiplication or not. So 0, 0. So 0, 2 1 are 2. You can get 200. Easy enough students? It is about only multiplication. We can absorb the work definition. It is clear or not? Let us think, my dear students, please write down in your notebook. You have to better understand. Please zoom the camera. My student will write. Let us check. So work will be given 200 joules. 200 joules. Next, you have to find force here. You have to find force. The displacement S will be given as 20 meter. Let us find force. W is equal to F into S. You have to find like this also. For example, if work given 200 joules, force is not given and displacement is 20 meter. Let us say 200 is equal to force into 20. So F is equal to, is there multiplication there? It will be divide. 200 by 20. So 2 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. We can get 10 newtons. Here it is correct or not? What we have taken the force value 10 newtons. Is correct or not? Yes, you are right. This is about we have to find work is equal to force into displacement. Please take the screenshot. You can share your friends also. Next, here and the last one I am taking. Please zoom the camera beside the here. My students will understand. Here W will be given 200 joules. How much? 200 joules. Next, F also given 10 newtons. So yes, we have to find. S means displacement. W is equal to F into S. F into S. So work how much given? 200. How much the force? 10 newtons. We have to find displacement. You can take S is equal to, this will be in multiplication, this side will be go divide. 200 by 10. We can get 0 get cancelled. We can get answer is 20 meter. You are right. Total is we can find like this by three-way methods. For example, we have to given force displacement value. We have to find work means this is the answer. And we have given for example work for your work and displacement. We have to find force means this process. For example here this side man. Work given, force given, we have to find displacement. Like this process. These three processes are helpful, my dear students. You can write down in your notebook. You can check by taking the screenshot. So everything is correct by practicing. You are right. By practicing only man will be perfect. Students, you have to write, you have to practice by number of problems by observing the what the formula is. Work is equal to force into displacement. You can hear, you can check what is the question will be given. Question will be given, we have to follow. Students, please write down in your notebook. You can check any textbook or notebook, even problems. Okay, students, can you write? Okay, take the screenshot. You can practice in your home. Thank you, viewers, for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my Physics Thinker channels. Okay, bye bye, students. It's time to say bye bye. Thank you.